Welcome everybody to another lesson. Today I'm going to show you how in the world do you create an email. I know everybody has been wired on how to do stuff, but actually nobody has shown us how you do it. Most of the time you created one when you were like in high school or you were like a little kid and you don't even remember how you did it. And now you want to change that name or create something new, something more professional instead of beautiful pony 1 2 3 4 5 or something like that. So I'm going to show you today. Stay tuned. So what we do right now is we're going to open my favorite browser, Google Chrome. So you can go to either google.com or your favorite research engine, whichever you like. And what I'm gonna do for the purpose of this example, I'm gonna do it on Gmail. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is gonna go to Gmail right here. I'm gonna click the Gmail, and right here you're gonna see the button create an account. You just click create an account for my personal use, of course. And it's going to ask you for your first name and last name. So we're going to do here is type your first name and last name. I'm going to say Pato and then last name Lucas. Okay. You put your date of birth right here. I'm going to put January 1st, 1980. I think you can say rather not say the gender. And the username. This is the important one. You cannot use something that already exists. So let's see if this one exists already. patolucas@gmail.com. It already exists. So Gmail gives me a couple examples that I might choose. So I want to go with patolucas, let's say 1. Hopefully. No, it's taken. Patolucas Junior. Is taken. As you can see, it's very difficult to get the right username. So I'm gonna go with elpatolucas080@gmail.com. We click next. Effectively, that one was available. Perfect. So that's the account that we're going to use for the next examples on the next videos. Okay. Now the password, we need to create a very strong password, a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. In this case, it's preferable if you don't use like your social security number, if you don't use your date of birth, your first name, last name. So you got to use something more mnemonic, like the green horse jumps a house or something like that. That will help you remember, and it's a very long password, and you can add some numbers at the end as well. So whatever is easier for you, remember to write it down somewhere safe so you won't forget, because you're going to use it most of the time when you log into your account in your devices. Okay, so in this case, let me punch in that password real quick. And let's click next. Perfect. Now it wants to confirm that I am not a robot, so we can put a phone number here. Let me put my phone number real quick. And here's where it's going to ask you to add a recovery email. And if you have a previous email, you can add a recovery email here. If not, that's fine. You can skip this step actually. Skip it. And perfect, it review your account, and that's it. We just created the account. And the privacy and terms will show right here. All you got to do is to scroll down and just click I agree. And then confirm. We'll just wait for a second. And welcome to your new email. That's pretty much it. That's how you do it. So I'm not going to have any new emails for sure. But if you guys send an email to this, it's going to be right here. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you were able to create your Gmail account. And we're going to use this Gmail to create an Apple ID and some other videos, some other plans that I have for this channel. So remember, like, subscribe, turn on the notification, and on the description, I have an iPhone guide on how to set the security on your device so you will be safe from any invaders, any scammers, anyone that wants to hack your device. Those are really good security features. And also, I have a free DIY lesson on how to clean your computer from spyware and malware. So we gotta keep learning. Stay safe out there. I see you on the next one.